Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome to 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. Today we have a new initiation. Our analyst initiate new viewpoint coverage on ISGC heavy engineering with a positive view and upside potential of 30%. The company has a strong order backlog of Rs 6,863 crore with recent order booking, which provides healthy revenue visibility. It would be prime beneficiary of capex revival in sugar sector and overall pickup in government and private capex. The company is currently trading at 17 times FY23 EPS of Rs 35 and 12 times FY23 EBITDA. The timely commencement and ramp up of its operation in CPBI Philippines would aid in sufficient cash generation for debt servicing, help in monetization of assets, improvement in consolidated credit ratings and outlook, which is a key re-rating trigger. Next update is on Titan. Our analysts maintain buy on Titan with revised price target of Rs 1,910. Deferred wedding season will help in strong recovery in performance by second half of FY 2022. Titan has a market share of 5 to 6% in the jewelry market. Sustained new customer addition, strong safety stand-up followed by the company, omni-channel platform and new product launches would help market share to improve ahead. Balance sheet strength will help it to compete well with strong regional and large players in the domestic market. Next on radar is Gateway District Parks. Our analysts maintain a buy on Gateway District Parks with a revised price target of Rs 390. Analyst expects strong earning growth led by its rail division. For April to May 2021, Indian Rail continues to report strong container volume growth, which is expected to sustain with sustained domestic and EXIM demand benefiting GDL's rail operation. The Indian Rail's extension of rebates on haulage charges till April 30, 2022 is expected to maintain strong operational profitability for GDL's rail division. Commissioning of DFC and 4 terminal at JNPT to lead to increased volumes and bring in additional operational efficiencies for the company. Next company update is on Philips Carbon Black. Our analysts maintain positive view on Philips Carbon Black with a revised price target of Rs 274, which is 20% upside from current market price. Despite lockdown, earnings momentum is expected to remain strong as volume remains steady in Q1 of FY22. This is led by buoyant export demand, also margin cycle is expected to sustain in near term. Thus, we increase our FY22 earning estimate by 11% and FY23 earning estimate by 4% to factor higher volumes and margins. We expect strong 14% PAT CAGR over FY21 to FY23 along with ROE of 18.2%. Valuation of 9.7 times FY23 earning estimates EPS is attractive considering strong carbon black demand, margin cycle and robust FCF generation. So these were the 3R updates for today. Do like and subscribe to our podcast. Stay safe and healthy. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.